I recently took the script that I've been using on Flickr.com, which I'm actually going to give to you in today's video. By doing this, I've been able to make over $700 in a day in affiliate commissions by targeting some of the wealthier audiences on Flickr.com. No followers will be needed, and you won't be posting any pictures on Flickr.com. This is going to be a strategy that you've never seen or never heard of because I've never spoken about this on my YouTube channel before. It's something I recently experimented with and turned out pretty well, which is why I'm going to be sharing it with you today on my YouTube channel. And over 90 million people use this network every single month, which is a lot of potential people to get affiliate commissions from and make money online from. You'll be targeting a much wealthier audience, which means there's a much higher chance of your affiliate product converting into sales with this particular strategy. Age also doesn't matter. Anybody can do this and anybody can sign up on Flickr.com. It's also worldwide. All you need is a browser, an internet connection, and you'll be able to do this. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you my entire template and script that I've been using to use on Flickr.com to get affiliate commissions and my best day of over $700 online. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something new that I recently have been testing and trying out, is making money on Flickr.com, a very well-known but also unknown social media website. What I like about this, you can find a lot of wealthy professional photographers to actually make money from with affiliate commissions. If you want to get a personal notification from me to your phone every time I upload my latest way of making money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can do so. I'm going to be doing an epic giveaway in today's video. The target is 500 likes for this video in the first 24 hours, and in the next video I will choose one random lucky viewer to win $20 in Bitcoin. So all you need to do is leave a like on this video, comment down below your most favorite or inspirational quote, and I will choose my favorite one in tomorrow's video and announce the winner of that $20 Bitcoin giveaway. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. Flickr.com is basically the Instagram of professional photographers, where you create your own page, you've got your own feed, but instead of posting personal photos and videos and the usual stuff that's posted on Instagram, photographers come over to this website to communicate, network with other photographers around the world, and to share their photos and to get their work noticed publicly on social media. Now, in a nutshell, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be offering a way to these people and photographers on Flickr.com to make money off of their photos. But in return, we get an affiliate commission from the company that is offering people to make money off of their photos. So it's pretty much a great system that's a win-win for everybody. Your photographers on Flickr.com are getting the opportunity to make money off their work, while you're also getting paid to do so. So what you need to go and do is, in order to get started with this, is come over to Flickr.com, click on sign up on the top right hand side if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, click on login, which I'm going to go and log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in and your account's been verified, you are now ready to go and make money from this. Secondly, the second part of this entire strategy is to go and find and get your affiliate link of the particular affiliate product that we'll be using to make money on Flickr.com. You need to come over to a website called digistore24.com, which is one of my favorite places to make money online. ClickBank being my favorite place. However, Digistore24 is much more user-friendly. Anybody can sign up in the world, as ClickBank is only limited to certain countries. So if you don't have a Digistore24 account, you can click on register on the top right. If you do have one, click on login, which is what I'm going to do. Once you've signed in, your marketplace dashboard will look something like this. Make sure you click on marketplace on the top right hand side, and you will see tons of various different categories and products that you can go and promote, from betting systems to fitness and health products, games and fun, home and garden, internet and e-business. The particular category that I want you to choose is photography and motion picture. And if you take a look at this, the particular affiliate product that I'm looking for on Digistore24.com has been removed. So I came over to ClickBank and I actually found the same thing over here. So what you need to do is you need to come over to photojobs.com. So what you will need to do is then, in that case, you'll need to come over to clickbank.com, sign up the same way you would on Digistore24, come over to your dashboard, click on marketplace, go and search photo in the search bar, And this is the product you're looking for over here. Earn from your photos by Photo Jobs. So this is a website that is dedicated to help photographers make money using their photos, specifically on photojobs.com. Now, every time you refer a photographer to this website and they sign up to it, you're going to get a commission or an affiliate commission of $161.11 online, with a reoccurring commission of $16.53 every single month. Now that you've got your affiliate link, click on promote, click on create hop link, and make sure to keep this affiliate link open in this tab, as we're going to come back to it later. So now that you've got your affiliate link, come over to Flickr.com, click on explore, and click on recent photos. And you'll see over here, you will find hundreds, even probably thousands and tens and hundreds of thousands of professional photos that photographers have posted on this website from around the world. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to offer these photographers to actually make money off of their photos that they're posting on Flickr.com. So you can go and click on any one of these photos. I'm going to go and choose, let's go choose this one over here of this owl. Now what you need to go and do is go and click on the profile of this particular person. You'll see over here, they're getting about 6,000 views, 427 favorites, and 162 comments. So this is obviously a photographer that's got a lot of traction. They've got a lot of people following them, which means they're doing pretty well. So if you go and open up their particular photography page, you'll see over here, click on these three dots and you'll be able to send them a message. So open this particular message group over here and you want to go and type the following. Hey Rich, who's the name of the photographer that you're messaging. I came across your page and I really liked your work, especially the photo of the owl that I would love to get framed. That is the same photo that I was talking about over here of this owl. And why you want to firstly congratulate or compliment them is because it builds that natural atmosphere of positivity and friendship and a relationship. That way they're already of thinking, oh wow, this guy actually likes my work and he's actually reaching out to me. It makes them feel good. Then you want to continue with the following. I went through this online training recently and noticed a lot of photographers seem to be having success with it. I haven't made much on my photos yet, but it definitely seems like a great side hustle way of making money from your photos. Let me know what you think of the platform, as I'm still busy playing around with it. When you structure your message like this, instead of just spamming your link, you come across as a genuine person actually reaching out to them. This way it makes you seem a lot more organic and not a bot that's just busy messaging them out of nowhere. By also telling them I haven't made much money yet, also kind of tells them this is not some kind of get rich quick promise or scheme. It's more telling them that you're asking them for advice. And by asking them for advice, they end up clicking on your link and trying out the platform. And this is the organic way we are going to be using to make money and sales on our affiliate commissions through our affiliate offer on clickbank.com. Then all you need to do is you can go and copy your affiliate link, come over to bit.ly called bit.ly, which is just a simple URL shortener. As you can see, your affiliate link is this long, unneat link that doesn't look very attractive. So we're going to go and fix that up just by going over to bit.ly, sign in with your free bit.ly account, click on create new on the top left hand side, click on link, go and paste your link. You can go and enter your title as well. We can go and type here photo jobs, photo monetization. Go and copy your new link that you've just created on bit.ly. So we can go and copy this, come over to flickr.com where you've messaged them and leave your link over here. And you can go and click on preview just to make sure what your message looks like. This is what it will look like over here. And you can finally hit send this, and this same script that I've now given you, you can come over to flickr.com, just come back to the home page of the explore page over here under recent photos. You can go and click on any one of these photos. So go and click on this one over here, go and message the same account or the account that posted this. Again, click on send message, and all you need to go and change is their name. So, hey, I came across your page. I really like the shot of the squirrel, because you need to make it personal, that I'd love to get framed. So this is all you need to go and change. And this script is a matter of copy and paste. And doing this, I was able to make over 7 sales on this photo monetization page and platform in one day. that was over $700 in commissions from ClickBank in just one day. If you guys would like to talk to me or ask me any questions about the different strategies that I document and teach on my YouTube channel, you're welcome to go and message me on Instagram and I'll respond to as many as I can. I'll leave the link down below to my Instagram. You can also follow my trading journey. Like I said, you can message me. I'll also provide a free signals group where I document my live trades on the markets. There's all sorts of extra valuable information that I offer on my Instagram page. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more specifically with making money and affiliate marketing and various different unique traffic strategies like the one I've taught you today on Flickr.com. I'm going to give you my entire affiliate marketing course that I've compiled into one epic playlist on YouTube that consists of my best videos over the past 3 years in one simple free course on YouTube. None of this is for sale. I don't make any money off of this content. It's all free on YouTube for you to watch. So what I recommend is if you want to learn more about that and go into affiliate marketing is click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.